Yes, this is Nii Tete Boy, back to you again. This is my second video of teaching the Kpanlogo drum. Yeah, and for those who have not seen the first one, check on my page. We have the first video that we learn how to play the tone and the tone mute. Yeah, so today we will continue. For those who are following, we will continue to play and learn how to make the bass and the tone bass sound. When I say tone bass sound, on Kpanlogo we have the sound that we make it in between the tone and the bass. So first, we have already done the tone, but first I will hit the tone again and the bass so you can get the middle. We want the sound in between the tone and the bass. This might be the first time for you to hear this. Yeah, I know. And I use it often. It's a good sound that you also can use it, especially you can use it on any palm drum. Okay, any palm drum. Okay, so first let me teach you how to hit the bass. A lot of people hit the bass because it's pretty easy to people, but when you actually listen to the sound, sometimes it doesn't sound correct. Yeah. Don't blame the drum. Never blame the drum. It's your palm that you have to blame. You got to blame your own self. Blame your own self because you don't hit the drum well. Okay. So this is one thing. You're going to hit the middle of the drum. The middle, it can be djembe, it can be conga, any palm drum that you have, the middle, okay? But most of the time, you can find drummers making like this. This is the style of their palm. This is how they make to hit the bass, okay? So let's try this. And when you're doing it, you have to listen to your sound, okay? So this is how I will never recommend you for your palm to be like this by hitting bass, okay? These are like for kids. These are like for babies, you know, when they are trying to start playing, okay? If you are an adult and you still you still a beginner, you don't need to go that process, okay? Yeah. Anytime you see someone making like this, the person has a problem. Yeah. For real. So you just want to keep your palm as it is. Just being straight, your palm, and just be in the middle of the drum, okay? In the middle of the drum. So you just go, you see how beautiful it is? You don't need power, nothing. If I put pressure or power in it, this is how it's going to sound, and I don't want this because it's the bass. You know, sometimes I go crazy on the drum. I might be doing that, okay? It's a style of playing, but just take it easy. And this is the bass. That's sweet. It's sweet. So you can do it over there. That's it. You use your two palm. Is it? when you hit the bass well, it makes you like the drum bounce your palm back, your hands back. Okay, when you hit it well, it's you can have a little feeling like the skin also bounce you. You know, action and reaction are both, you know, equal. So you can feel that. You can feel that the skin also bounce you back. Now you don't want to hit the bass like this. This a lot of mistakes. When I'm teaching, some people they do it just in front of me. Okay, this is your palm. Make sure all the full of your palm touches the drum one time. That's how. It's one time. Now some people hit the bass just with this side like that. You see? And their hands are like this. You see? No, don't do that mistake. Or some hit with just this side like this, and the space will be there like that. And they still complaining, why my sound is not coming? Why my sound is not coming? Yes, your sound will never come if you keep hitting it like that. For 100 years, your sound will never come. So, friends, remember to keep it just straight, you know, just like that, straight, and it's beautiful. When you keep your palm straight, like as it is naturally, you can go back and come so easily. You don't want to be like this, and next time you're going to hit tone, you have to be like that and come bass like it. No, you wouldn't be good. You wouldn't be fast on your. You want to go like that. You don't want to be like that, and you will be so slow on the drum. No, we want to build up. We want to build up. So the next sound is the sound that we want from the bass and the tone. So let me go. This is the tone I taught before, okay? And the tone is from that there to this side. You keep your palm close. The next video, I will teach you the reason why I want you to keep your fingers close, okay? For the meantime, just keep it close, and from there to here, it doesn't matter how big, small your hands are, that's how you're going to play, okay? So this is the bass. Now we want the tone and the bass sound. I love it, especially when you are playing Kpanlogo. If you don't know the drum called Kpanlogo, check it out. We manufacture drums in Ghana, and you can get some from Ghana. David Nii is called David Nii, or maybe you can leave a comment. And if you want Kpanlogo, I can link you, or I can get you Kpanlogo. I live in Japan, so both Japan and anywhere, just leave me a comment. And also leave me a comment about what you want me to come out with or teach you, because I'm here to share everything. Yes, so as I said, we want the sound in between the tone and the bass, okay? In between the tone and the bass. So the bass, your palm is in the middle of the drum. The tone, your palm is this side. So from where you directed to play the tone just moved your hand, and now this side of your palm will be at the edge of the drum. Okay, when you set this side at the edge of the drum, that's okay, and that's all. So now you hit all your palm. Okay, before bass, this side of your palm is is on the drum, on the skin. Sorry, on the skin. So it means your hand was in the middle of the drum. Okay, this time this side will be at the edge of the drum. Yeah. So let's hit and see. We want the middle sound, the tone, and the bass. First, this is the bass, okay? This is the tone. We want middle, so this is how we go. You see? You mix both, yeah, bass and the tone. Many professionals don't know this. Yeah, they don't know. And some of them are just playing. They are good, but they haven't figured out, oh, there is a sound like that. Okay, yeah. So you can use it. You can use it. We have the bass, we have the tone, we have the mix. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Yeah, you see, you can get both. So you can see. So this is it. Just go on, practice, leave some comment, share with your friends, because I'm sharing with you. You also got to share with someone, so we all can be happy playing the drum. Okay, yeah. Again, if you have not subscribe so we can keep building up and building up and building up. Thank you. Bye bye.